How to build a house in Minecraft. Build a house in Minecraft, step-by-step process, with images. Once you have collected the materials and selected a location, you can follow these steps to start the building process for your Minecraft house. Step 1. Build walls. Much like a real-world house, you first need to build walls that your Minecraft house stands upon. Other than the main 4 walls, you can construct as many rooms as you want. But don't forget to leave openings for doors or windows. You simply need to place the blocks and stack them as high as you want the ceiling of your house to be. Step 2. Add doors and windows. Once you have constructed the walls, you can use wood to make doors and glass panes as windows. Using a single door or a double door is your choice. Hostile mobs can't open either of them. As for the windows, some players leave them open without any glass. But it is an open invitation to mobs like skeletons that can attack you from a distance. Step 3. Expand the house. After creating the basic structure, it's time for you to add more practical elements and areas like rooms, roofs, and more to the house in Minecraft. Many players opt for multiple rooms, but going for separate floors adds a certain aesthetic to your house. Just don't forget to add a ladder or stairs to climb onto that floor. Alternatively, you can use this stage to customize your house with personal design elements and unique shapes. Step 4. Light it up. It is true that a house in Minecraft stops hostile mobs from reaching you, but that doesn't stop these hostile mobs from spawning inside the house. To safeguard your casa against them, you need to add various light sources inside your house. Torches are the most popular option, but you can also go for glowstone, lanterns, and other light sources. Some players even place light sources around and on top of the house for extra protection. Step 5. Add basic amenities. After your house structure is ready, it's time to furnish it. You can have a variety of items in the Minecraft house you build. However, here are some must-haves. Crafting table. Bed to set spawn point. At least 1 chest. A source of food, preferably a basic farm that you can use to plant seeds and grow crops. Additional things to add to your Minecraft house. Now, once your house is ready, it's time to make the most out of it. You can use your creativity or head over to our list of the best Minecraft house ideas to choose one that suits your fancy. Then, you can spend some time carefully modifying and rebuilding the house as you make progress in the game. Later on, you can add more in-game items to your house. Such items can hold decorative as well as practical value. Some of the most common practices that people follow include adding automatic farms with a separate section for villagers who can a variety of jobs. Using redstone to make a security system to protect houses from looting on multiplayer servers. Bringing iron golems and other entities like cats as pets in the house. Creating furniture using slabs, planks, and wool. Building separate rooms for treasury and storage. Create paths leading to underground Minecraft caves. To explore caves, you can check out some of the best lush cave seeds and best dripstone cave seeds in Minecraft 1.18 via the linked articles. Adding decorative items like paintings, flower pots, terracotta, and more to your house.